after I was recognized by the UN as the UN Person of the Year 2017. I got runners-up, and I made a commitment to be an environment ambassador.
On this dump site, we have industrial waste. We have even sometimes hazardous waste. I don't know how they find their way, because we've been told that sometimes they bring and dump them at night. But of course, the county government have been very tough again on them, and we have not been able to see. I think for when we came, we've not been able to see now most of those hazardous waste here at the dump site. So now the very interesting story is where we are. There was a road, and it was going directly to the gate outside there. But now with all these heaps, you see it's now, it's no longer passable here. So we had to come and now work on waste rehabilitation hub, which MRF, or material recovery facility, which was done by the county government, and of course it was with the guidance of TakaTaka Nimali.
And this is how I've embarked that journey of TakaTaka Nimali, that as we take care of the environment, how also can we be able to create value and give value to waste, so that we can improve the livelihood of the people who are dealing in that ecosystem of waste management.
So when we came here, initially the whole place, we didn't have any organization of the waste pickers, and they were around 15 waste pickers when we came, both women, men, and youth as well. They never had IDs. They didn't, it was really hard to even identify who they were. So with the help of the First Lady, definitely we had to bring them together. We had to do trainings for them. There was a day we had a partnership with NHIF. They came here, and then the First Lady and our patron, Taka Nimali, we were able now to issue the health insurance covers for them. At the moment, we have now more than, when we came in, they were around 15. Right now, we have over 40 of them, 40 waste pickers. And what they do, the value, like I had mentioned, they used to, for PET, it used to be 5 shillings. But now, when we came in, we were able now to negotiate with recyclers, and they're able to buy PET at 15 shillings and above. We've also trained them on issues of separation, because sometimes you have to separate, especially the colors. We have those clear, we have the green ones, we have the blue. So they're able now to separate after the training that we did.
Naitwa Agnes Mwende, mimi ndio chairperson huku dump site, na ninashukuru kwa hii kazi. Nikiingia hapa asubuhi, ikifika jioni naenda na mkate wa kila siku, na hii kazi imenitoa mbali. Watoto wangu wanasomea hapa na survive through hapa. Mimi nashukuru sana kwa Taka Nimali, nikikumbuka mahali imetutoa First Lady, kuna Madam Mary, kuna Elias, kuna kina James, kuna wengine. Watu wametutoa mbali, walitukuta hapa tukikaa hapa kama watu hatueleweki, hatujui chochote. Ikabidi hata tukafungua account, tuko na savings zetu. So Taka Nimali naishukuru sana, imetutoa mbali.
As we have the CBOs that we have created, we then need to have partners who can be able to buy the waste that they have put together, so that then we are able to help them to get enough raw material for their recycling, and we are able to give resources to our CBOs and grow them as enterprises. So then we are able to achieve our first objective of developing enterprises across waste management.
Reshaping yetu na TakaTaka Nimali ni reshaping mzuri na taste positive, sababu ina bear good fruits. Kiangalia sisi tangu tujuana nao, I think less than a year ago, tume progress. Baada ya wao kufundisha watu kule nje kuhusu mambo ya waste and good ways of disposing this waste, na kuna vile wanaweza tuletea na wapate kitu, sisi tumeweza kuinuka. Our inputs zinakuwa mingi, kwa hivyo hata mashine haizimi kazi yetu, kwa hivyo inainuka in one way or another.
Nilikuwa introduced kwa hii kazi na Rose Omarimba. So akaniita akaniambia, Rose, kuna side hustle iko hapa. So akanunua chai pale Pizzain, tukakula lunch. So ndio akanielezea kuhusu hii mambo ya Taka Nimali. So from there nikasikia naweza jaribu. So nilianzia kama najaribu nione. but akiniintroduce nilikuwa na kibanda ya chakula na pia nilikuwa nauza makaa, so nikaanza kuona hii ni kama iko na pesa kuliko yenye nafanya. By December nilikuwa nishamalizana na kibanda kabisa, na nikakaa tu sasa kwa TakaTaka ni mali. But it has been good. I can't regret. Yeah.
Our other objective is to use technology to help improving the environment and also in the area of waste management. And we have built a digital platform, and the digital platform is also a platform where we plug in different partners so that we can be able to build efficiency in the waste management ecosystem that we have put together. And I give an example. If we are doing payments, transactions across the digital platform, then we need partners to plug in so that they can be able to actualize or work with us and complete the payment. We are doing trainings, so we plug in and we can be able to do trainings through the digital platform that we are putting together. We plug in organizations that would want to know the traceability of their waste, of their packaging materials that went to the environment.
We believe we play an important role in waste management, more so electronic waste management, because as a connectivity providing company, we enable a lot of electronics. And being a responsible company means that we ensure that these electronics find their way to a safe disposal. We are strong on empowering and enabling other entities to be able to become environmentally friendly. So in terms of partnerships and looking for solutions, we're on that journey with Taka ni Mali. We're looking at how can we better enable them to be able to address the waste menace.
Another category of our stakeholders are the development partners. We partner with development partners who are looking forward to help or plant a seed in taking care of the environment. So they work with us, they support our groups so that we can be able to build that ecosystem and we can realize in a sustainable development goals that is a global commitment that we are all making into, and we are able to plug in to give solution for environment and our climate. So that is why we say TakaTaka ni mali, waste is wealth.
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 TakaTaka ni mali, waste is wealth.